Hello everyone, welcome back. So today in this video I am going to acknowledge all those students who are studying Bvsc or the students who have completed the Bvsc. What are the career opportunities present in the veterinary profession? So there are totally 5 types of the sectors. What are the first one is state government sectors, second one is centralized sectors, and third one is private sectors, fourth one is local sectors, and the fifth one, the most important, self-employment, which the most of the vets do nowadays. So according to these 5, you can choose any of the opportunities in your career after you have completed your degree, Bvsc, Bachelor of Veterinary Science. So in the first case, that is state government, the opportunities which are given by the state government. What the opportunities are there? That is veterinary assistant surgeon or veterinary surgeon or the veterinary officer. These are the vacancies released by the state government. You can clear by the state commissions, that is PSC, Public Service Commissions, and all these veterinary officers, veterinary assistant surgeons or veterinary surgeons are plotted or posted in the following veterinary hospitals or the poultry farms, cattle, goat farms, semen banks, and various diagnostic centers, disease investigation, disease eradicating centers. All these sectors, the veterinary officers can be plotted, or the veterinary officers can also be plotted in the cooperative sectors, that is like Amul, Anand Milk Union Limited, which is present in Gujarat. So these are the first one which I have said to you, state government sectors, and the second one, that is centralized sectors. The centralized sector, it is very important as most of the students are interested in the army defense services. What are the defense services? So I am going to tell you now, that are BSF, RVC and ITBP. And most of the students are not well aware what is RVC, that is Remote Veterinary Corps, and what the vets do in this. What are the role of the vets in the RVC, Remote Veterinary Corps? So after clearing the RVC exams and interviews so on, if you got selected, the role of the veterinarians is to train the animals, especially the horse. Train the horse, like training the horses, disease investigations, breeding with horses, and feeding of the horses. These the duties involved in the RVC. And ITBP, that is called Indo-Tibetan Border Police, and these also include a interview, you should clear that. And BSF, Border Security Force. In these two, ITBP and BSF, you have to train the dogs, and you have to train for the dogs for the future calamities involved, and you should rate the dogs and all this. These are the opportunities which are present in the, as I said, second one, centralized sectors. And third one, I am going to tell you what, that is local sectors. In the local sectors, various panchayat rajs are involved, and in the local sectors, the zoos, the wildlife centers, they can hire. After you have completed the specialization or directly after the Bvsc, Bachelor of Veterinary Science. So these are the opportunities involved in the local sectors. And now I completed 3 sectors, 3 career opportunities what were present, that is state, centralized and local. Now the fourth one, that is private sectors. In the private sectors, as most of the students are not well aware, they can go to pharmaceutical industries, various pharmaceutical industries present. They can hire you. Pharmaceutical industries can hire the veterinary students. And the next one is self-employment. It is a main common opportunity, career opportunity taken by the veterinarians. What are the self-employment? Self-employment, as the name suggests you can keep your own clinics, pet clinics, equine clinics, and so on in self-employment. You can just go in consultations, you can do the consultations, or you can just go in ambulance, mobile veterinary ambulance. You can go from one place to another. The patients who cannot come, or the emergency services who patients cannot come to you, and you can manage a mobile veterinary clinic, the clinic which can move mobile. So all these are the 5 sectors which I have told you. But before I am entering all these career opportunities, and before this, the eligibility or the passion should be present. Love, passion should be present for veterinarians to enter all these, and the role of veterinarians are very important towards animals, because as I told you, veterinarians should be very attentive and passion towards their career, because career and passion two should be equal and two should be mingled, and the person who has career and profession mingled is very lucky. And now I am going to tell you that a animal lover can be a veterinarian or vet, but a vet must be animal lover. And what is the meaning is that animal lover, any animal lover can be a vet, but a veterinarian should love the animals. And as the famous personality Mahatma Gandhi told that a nation's pride or prestige and moral values depends on the way of treating the animals. So this is the proverb said by the famous personality Mahatma Gandhi ji. So another thing is that a veterinarian for the world, he may just be a veterinary doctor, animal doctor, but for the animal patient, he is not just a veterinarian or animal doctor. He is involved with dermatologist, he is involved with nephrologist, neurologist, he is involved with various other professions. He can do that, everything. So he is not just a veterinarian. So this is the role of the veterinarians in today's life, and they should love the animals to enter the veterinary profession, and the person who cannot love the animals should not enter the veterinary profession, because this profession involves the care, love and rearing of the animals involved in. And I am going to tell you that various other opportunities which are present in career opportunities for veterinary profession. What are the, you can go to slaughterhouses, you can go and cattle, goat, piggery farms, you can go, and you can keep up the, as not involved in the self-employment sector, you can keep your disease investigation, your own disease investigation, x-ray technicians and x-ray machines, all this. You can keep a own disease investigation, disease diagnostics, disease eradicating, public health labs, you can keep laboratories, you can keep disease investigation, you can do the investigations, various pandemics that are occurring nowadays, you can keep the centers to investigate all these. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next video, and please subscribe to the Satya News channel. Thank you.